Hi, this is Dania Harris with Ad Cancel, and I am here to describe the PSA. So today we're going to start with the picture, and as you can see, it is red, white, and blue, and that is just because we wanted to capture something with the political colors, but also blue is a calming color, while red is a attention getter. So we want the red to stand out to help get the attention of people walking by, and the blue to kind of calm you as you're reading over the words in the picture, because we think that it is important that you get this message in red, but you also see calming colors as well. It is on a black background because we believe that a lot of posters that are put up on the university campus have a white background, and we want to be able to stand out with the whole picture, not just with one part. We want the whole thing to stand out. So we added this separator because we want the most important thing is that you use your voice and vote. So that way no one else can tell you what you stand for and who you believe in during this election. And that's why we have don't let others decide for you. So that you put yourself out there, you vote, you choose who you want to be the president, and don't let anyone else decide for you. We also did a contrast just because we wanted the colors to stand out to you. So using black with like bright colors on it is a big contrast, so you can see everything even when the background is dark. We also did, we used proximity by using these two close together because we want to say like, you use your vote, don't let others decide, but we also wanted it to be in charge of your political influence. So it's kind of reassuring the use your vote, but in more of a positive manner, because this one is more of negative, like don't let others decide for you, but this is more positive and more persuasive in that manner of like, you are in charge of yourself and who you vote for. We think this message is very important to the audience at the University of Idaho campus, because we want people of all ages to vote, and especially as students are graduating, they're going to become into the workforce, and they should know what taxes are happening and who is going to be in charge of deciding how they live after college, for sure. We think that the biggest thing is to get the attention getter in the photo, and then have the words that you want as you're reading left to right. So you would look at these, use your voice to vote because it's in red and it's larger and it's on the right hand side. So you'd go from the picture to those words. So at least that, if not, as you're glancing by, students would at least see the use your voice and vote. Thank you so much for allowing me to talk about the product we made for you. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any questions, just send me an email or call me. Thank you.